ERD received this Allen Bradley 1336s-a015-an-en-l6, 15 horsepower, 230 volt of AC, 3-phase motor control, with a blown open soft start resistor. This typically happens on this type of drive when the user ignores the "wait 5 minutes before restarting" warning that is in the Allen Bradley manual. This drive is an older design, and upon startup the soft start resistor gets fairly hot before the driver switches it out of the path of the incoming current. We stocked this part, and after rebuilding the entire drive along with replacing the defective cooling fan, the drive powered up without any issue as shown in the video. ERD has an extensive amount of experience with Allen Bradley products, including all the variations of the 1336 series of motor controls. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.